Hello, welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today we are not learning just English but with German. So let's learn German with English. Hello means hello. Ich bin Rajni. My name is Rajni. My familien Name is Joshi. My surname is Joshi. Ich komme aus India. I'm come from India. Ich wohne in Delhi. I live in Delhi. Ich bin 30 Jahre old. I am 30-year old. Ich bin Lehrerin. I'm a teacher. Ich bin verheiratet. I am married. Ich habe drei Kinder. I have three kids. Ich spreche Deutsch und English. I speak German and English. Ich kann Deutsch, English, Hindi and Sanskrit. I know German, English, Hindi and Sanskrit. Meine hobbies sind Sprechen and music hören. My hobbies are to watch movies and listen music. Guten Tag, good day. Tschüss, bye. Auf Wiedersehen, see you again. Danke, thank you. So this is the German, my introduction in German. In next upcoming videos we will learning in detail.